Hi guys, hello, karibu tena to my YouTube channel in case you're new here. Hola, annyeonghaseyo. My name is Julie and welcome to the Squad of Positive Energy. Today's video is proudly sponsored by Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where you can purchase any service that you can ever think of, from translation, copywriting, graphic design, data entry, content writing, blog writing, any service that you can ever think of. So if you're a busy lad and you're wondering how you can make your blog look better and have better content, or if you're just a student and you have a lot and lots of homework to do and you're wondering how will I finish this, no worry, Fiverr will always have your back. So today I'm going to show you how you can purchase these services from Fiverr from as low as $5, guys. Imagine $5. So let me stop talking too much and let us just head on right to the video. So guys, at this point you'll have to create an account with Fiverr. Just click on the link in the description box down below and create an account. It will take you to Fiverr directly. After that, just go to the search bar and search for whatever service you want to buy, and Fiverr will bring you every seller that is available in accordance with that service. And you can see she starts from $5. As I said earlier, it starts from $5, and this was my favorite content writer, so I had to click his account and just read through his profile and check if he's the one that I am really sure that he'll do my job. So I just checked through his profile, read about the gig, read the reviews and everything, just every detail that I want to know about the seller before, giving him my money. So that's just it. It's so simple. Before you purchase an order, you have to read through so that you can know you are satisfied with the seller and you trust them. And they have 3 levels. You can see he has basic, standard, premium, and basic is always cheap, then standard, then premium. But at this point I was going for basic. You go where your pocket reaches. And after that, I just read through everything that was in the basic level. If I want to add an extra day, keyboard search, related image search, as you add any extra order, you add money. So I had to confirm my order at $20. And yeah, so that's just it. You make sure that the order is what you are buying. So I'm confirming my pay right now. After that, Fiverr will bring you here. They're pretty excited, of course. And then you'll have to submit requirements in order for the seller to start your order. So you just fill in every detail, whatever you see fit for your order and whatever you want the seller to know about the order. So after you've confirmed anything, you just click on start order. Then after that, Fiverr will bring you here. Then from there, I think you just confirm everything is okay and it is what you need. Then the seller texts you to ask you what you want in the order, and then you have to give him all the instructions that you need, whatever you want them to do for you. And so yeah, just like that, easy peasy. So after you're done with your request, you just send it, and this seller was so fast in responding. So guys, I actually received my order the next day after hours, which is a good thing, and it was so fast. I had to download the document the seller sent and reviewed the document. It was good. I ordered the 500 words, so yeah, and I had to give him feedback of the services and everything. And yeah, so that was just it. I hope you liked it. That's how you can purchase a service on Fiverr. I hope the steps were easy peasy, and I will put the link in the description box down below that will direct you right to the Fiverr website. Just click on the link in the description box down below, and yeah, you can start purchasing your services with Fiverr today. Let Fiverr do the job for you. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, comment down below what you think, and let me see you on my next video. Bye.